Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. Your fellow passengers, just stopping in with you guys to give you a daily BTC price prediction. If you're just joining us, welcome. It's really simple what we do. We find support and resistance and patterns to determine the market's direction. That's it. So if that piques your interest, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified where we see the markets going before it happens. Engage in the comment section. Leave an appropriate thumb, guys. Helps the YouTube algorithm, guys. Support the channel. So the daily BTC price prediction, this is pretty important. If you're a bull in the market, you might want to stick around to the end of this video, guys. Let's not waste time. Let's just dive right into this daily BTC price prediction chart. Shall we? All right, so today is December the 8th of 2020. And the current price of BTC is going to be $18,324. It's down about 4.4% for the day. Okay, let's get right on into this, guys. This is the 12-hour chart. So where we left off yesterday, we were talking about the bulls and the bears within this green range here, this rectangular boxed area. The bottom of that box is at about $18,800, and the top of it is at about $19,700. Now, the bulls and the buyers had an obligation. Their obligation was to fulfill the sell orders just overhead at about $19,700 when they broke above this resistance line, this red resistance line right here. So far, it looks as if the buyers have not fulfilled their obligation, okay? So what does that mean? Well, at this point, the sellers have stepped back into the market, and they are starting to continue their short-term downtrend. Let's go over that really quickly here. Starting at about November the 30th, 19,700, we went down, made a low, went up, made a lower high, had a resistance at that level at about $19,400, went down, made a lower low, about $18,500. Approximately, and then it bounced up to about $19,400, making a lower high. Okay, that's where the sellers still had their opportunity to step in, and they actually did step in, breaking back below that descending resistance line, and now the sellers have successfully made a lower low. So now what needs to happen is, the first thing that needs to happen, and we're actually getting a close here, and we just close. So this is it, guys. The sellers, they have a very unique opportunity here to really crank this thing to the downside. If the buyers cannot get the price back above $18,484, expect to see a very vicious move to the downside. So let's just keep our eye on this price, guys. We just closed a 12-hour candle. The buyer's obligation is to now get the price back above $18,500 to avoid a very aggressive impulse leg to the downside. The cards are in the seller's hand right now. They can literally continue the trend down here if the buying interest cannot get the price back above that red line there. Again, at about $18,500. So let's wait and see how this plays out. Currently, the buyers still have an opportunity, but I don't know if things are starting to look a little dim out there for the buyers in the market. But that's obviously when BTC makes its move, right? When everything starts to look really, really dark. But technically speaking, the buyers still do have control of this market, as we're just simply looking for higher highs and higher lows in the price. I'll go ahead and put the arrows back up here to show you that. So starting here at about $15,960 at about November the 15th, we went up in the price. Okay, $19,320 went down, made a higher low, and then we bounced up to about $19,700, and right now, technically speaking, this is considered a higher low. I'll change that color. Hopefully you guys can see that a little bit better. So that's basically what we're up against right now, a higher low in the price. The buyers still have full control of this market. Now, don't get it mistaken there, guys. They still have control, and they still have the opportunity to shift this short-term downtrend to an uptrend. Okay, so from the macroscopic perspective, so to speak, the buyers still have an opportunity. But the first thing that they need to do, guys, they need to get this price up above this level here at about the $19,700 level to continue this overall uptrend. Now, I don't know if this is going to be a challenge or not. Let's just keep our eyes on this price to see what the buyers are going to do. Because right now, the sellers, they have a small window of opportunity to continue this downtrend as they have had control of the price. Well, it appears that they have had control of the price here ever since November the 30th here at the top out candle at about $19,700. Okay, so this small window of opportunity here, the sellers are in control. Will they continue they're controlling the markets to continue the price to the downside. That's something that the charts is going to let us know here over the next, I'll give it about 48 hours. We should know the direction here, guys. So let's go ahead and extend this descending line down just a bit. And I guess we'll see where the price is going over the next 48 hours. I think we should keep this green box here for now. We'll give you guys an update. This green box in between, what is it, $18,750 and $19,700. We're going to keep it there for now. If necessary, we'll go ahead and erase it out. But I think the buyers are going to at least attempt to make a push to the upside. And again, if they get stopped out here, guys, then yeah, things could get pretty bloody in the market here, guys. That stop out, I've already said, is $18,000 and about $500. So stay tuned for the next BTC price update, guys. I appreciate your time joining us here in the charts. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on this content that we put out every single day in the alternative markets, in the traditional markets. And yeah, turn on your notification bells, guys, so you don't miss that. That's it. I'm going to be signing out here. Take care of yourselves, and bye for now. We'll talk very soon.